Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find top trending sound and top trending songs on TikTok. So guys, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the method that I use in finding trending song. With this method, it will help you to track trending music and sound that are popular on TikTok so that you won't struggle to gain followers and engagement on your TikTok account. So guys, I'm going to be sharing with you guys this method, and I'm also going to be introducing you guys to a platform that analyzes millions of TikTok videos around the world to understand user habits and predict what will be popular in the future. So guys, if you want to get to know this method, make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first step to take is to go over to your browser. If you're using Chrome, Opera Mini or Phoenix, whichever browser you're using, just tap on it. But I'm using Chrome for this tutorial, so let me tap on my Chrome browser. So guys, once your browser opens up, then you will search for TikTok Creative Center. You search for it. Let me search for it. TikTok Creative Center. Then you tap on it to search. So guys, once you search for it, you're going to see series of results. What you're going to tap on is the first result, which is arts.tiktok.com. You can see the Creative Center. Then you tap on it. So guys, you can see it's loading up. This is the platform where you can actually see trending song and trending music on TikTok. No matter the country where you're living, you can see what is written here. Let's elevate your whole creative game. So guys, the next step that you have to take is to tap on trends. You can see trends here where it is written trends, hot content, because actually we want to look for trending songs. So guys, let me tap on it. So guys, it's loading up. Let's wait for it. Sorry guys for my internet connection. My internet connection over here is actually slow. So guys, you can see what is written there. Browse what's trending now. Find what performs well on TikTok and better engage with your audience. So guys, this is where you can actually do all the magic. You can see over here we have different sections: hashtags, songs, creators, TikTok videos. You can actually look for trending hashtags here, trending songs here, trending creators, or trending TikTok video. But for this video, you're actually looking on trending songs on TikTok. So guys, what you have to do is to tap on songs. So let me tap on it. So guys, before you tap on songs, there is something I want you to take note of. You can see it's on United States. The country is on United States. So if you're not from United States, I want you to go over there and change it. Just tap on it. What you have to do is to type the country, search for the country that you're from. I'm from Nigeria, so let me tap on Nigeria. Then you streamline it to Nigeria. You can see it's now on Nigeria. If you're from Mexico, search for Mexico. If you're from Ghana, search for Ghana. If you're from Switzerland, search for Switzerland. So guys, let's go ahead now to tap on songs. So guys, you can see it's loading up. So guys, you can see these are the songs that are trending now in Nigeria. You can see it here. This is last 7 days. The songs that are trending in the last 7 days. You can see it over there. These are the popular song. One Side by Inyanya and Mayokon. This is Mara Drum Beat by DJ Dobsy. This is Jericho Amapiano remix. So guys, you can actually streamline it to 120 days. Let's tap on this icon over there. You can see that drop down icon. You tap on it. Let's streamline it to the last 120 days. Let's see the music that is going to come up. Wow. So guys, you can see the list has changed. The first on the list now is Carry Me Go by Cardi and Boy Spice. The second one is Ojapiano by Casey. The third one is Unavailable by Davido. So guys, you can see these are the songs that are trending. You can keep going downwards. You will see the songs that are actually trending in the last 120 days. So guys, if you keep going down, you're going to keep seeing the songs and music that are trending on TikTok. You can see there are so many of them. There are so many of them here. So guys, just go through them, and if you go through them, you're going to actually find songs that are trending on TikTok. So guys, you can actually streamline this also to 30 days. Let's go over to 30 days. You can see here is Lonely at the Top by Ashake. This is they have so many music here that are trending. So guys, there is something else I want you to take note of. You can actually tap on the song to listen to the song, and you can also see the song analytics. You can see how well the song is doing on TikTok. Let me show you guys what I mean. So let me tap on the arrow there. You can see the arrow there. Let me tap on it. As you can see, this is the insights and analytics of this song. You can see these are the videos that you can actually watch if you want to actually listen to the music. So let me play it a bit so you can hear it. Let me tap on it. So guys, if you heard the song, you can also check out for other videos by tapping on this arrow over here. You can see this is the second video loading up. Let's wait to see. This is the second video. Let me play it so you can hear it. So guys, you can also tap on it again to go over to the next video. This video you're actually watching and listening to, they're actually from TikTok. You can go to TikTok and you find it as well. So guys, you can keep going down. You will see the audience inside, the age range that are actually using this sound on TikTok. You can see from 25 years to 34 years, 40% of them are using this song, 54% for 18 years to 24. So guys, you can see lots of analytics and lots of things that you see top regions using this sound. You see Nigeria is actually topping the track, followed by South Africa, followed by Luxembourg and United Arab Emirates and Qatar. You can see this song is actually trending in other top countries. So guys, this is how you can actually find top trending sound in Nigeria and every other country. So guys, I believe if you got value from this, if you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.